Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Today, Nifty and Bank Nifty saw the last late 1 hour selling. In fact, today, market after seeing that gap up open was just consolidating throughout the day, but it was exactly at 240 the big fall started both in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. If you see the chart on my screen, you can understand this very well. This big fall started at around 240 exactly, and one single big candle in a 5-minute chart, and market fell close to around 300 points on Bank Nifty in no time, and Nifty also fell close to 80 to 100 points. And the whole question now comes, can you tell this selling much before it happens? Yes, guys, for all of you who want to test this, I want you to please visit my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, given in the description below. And for you guys, I'm just reading what is the call I gave on Twitter. I wrote on Twitter before this fall happened. I wrote this message. The fall happened at 240, and before this, I wrote a message, live call. Stay very light on longs, or else have hedge without fail. I'm not happy on the move today. More updates to only our clients and mentorship students. And very clearly, I told stay light on the long position and have hedge through shorts. Now, I want each one of you to understand, especially for short term trading, flexibility is the key. Many a times, people, especially these beginners, will be wondering, morning he was bullish, yesterday he was bullish, why he turned bearish at 2:30? The question is not why he turned bearish. Market told me to become bearish, and I just do what market says. This is what I mean by flexibility. And let me tell you, clarity is power. And so clearly, I wrote this tweet with a great conviction that yes, market is not looking good. Stay light on the long position. Also, I wrote another tweet saying flexibility is the key for short term trading. Losing traders argue with market. A pro trader always listens to market and he follows what market says. And more important than this, I told save bullets to shoot when the real opportunity comes. Don't shoot in the thin air and waste all the bullets. All these points are there in my Twitter with the timeline and the time when this tweet was given. If you see, then you understand the power of market profile and Rudralogy. It has nothing to do with me, it is all to do with market profile and the power of Rudralogy in understanding the markets well. Now, let me tell you, even if I see the FII DII data today, FIIs have bought to the extent of 3,156 crore, but in that, don't forget to remove the United Breweries buying block deal by Heineken, which was to the extent of 5,800 crore. So if you remove 5,800 crore out of this 3,156 crore, there is still a net sell figure of 1,650 crore. That is what you see in FII data. So even today at 1,650 crore net selling, what they have done tells to me that this market is still jittery. And let me tell you, repeatedly I was telling 15,830 on Nifty future is a crucial level, and I want market to close above 15,830, and it is repeatedly failing. Even though on an intraday basis it is going easily above 15,830, it is failing to cross this zone of 15,830 on a closing basis. So positional traders should understand still we are not out of the woods. And let me tell you, especially today's data and the market performance, what I have seen in the screen of market profile and order flow tells me this market is still not out of the woods. And I won't be surprised, I'll put my neck out and say I won't be surprised that this move what you saw from those levels of 15,460 on Nifty future to the levels of 15,900, whatever it made, is getting clearly tired. and now I won't be surprised to see a move further on the downside. But let me tell you, all this can completely go wrong. Now people will be wondering, Rudra, yes, you were not giving buy calls for 1 week. We saw the huge fall in market. You were so spot on, and then you told it is time to buy. You also told Adani group of stocks will go up, no shorting Adani group of stocks, and we saw all that. I have done nothing. I've just told what my charts are telling. This program I do pre-market and post-market analysis, one in morning and one in evening, in your Easy Money show, in your Rudralogy channel. But then let me tell you, during live market hours, I change my views for short term based on how market responds and tells to me. That is what I update in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, given in the description below. So today, those of them who read that call and then saw that huge fall which happened later post 240, the big fall in market was clearly predicted with great conviction just about 10 minutes before the fall. And this can be done if you understand the power of market profile and order flow. Guys, those of you who want to learn this, don't miss this weekend program, Zero to Millionaire. It's a 3-day life transformation program. If you are serious to become a profitable trader from a losing trader, if you want to become your own boss and dictate terms to this world, you want to shift from a losing trader to a profitable trader and achieve your financial freedom, everything on stock market learning is covered in this 3 full day life transformation program happening live this weekend on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And more information about Zero to Millionaire program is there in my website www.ztmindia.com, also given in the description. Only very few seats left. If you want to convert from a losing trader to a profitable trader, then don't miss this last opportunity what you have to register for ZTM program. Guys, see you all tomorrow with expiry day trading levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, and more information. Till then, good night, take care, bye bye.